Hi, welcome back. Okay, so in the last video, we blended the top. And in this video, we are going to be blending the top with the right side of the haircut. So I've left this to the end because on the right side of a haircut for a gentleman's haircut, it lays a little bit more disconnected, meaning you have a little bit more bulk on this side. But we're still going to blend it and we're still going to get it to look as blended as we can, but still giving it that clean gentleman's haircut look. Alrighty, so like we did in the back and on the left side, we're just going to be taking small sections and we're going to be cutting off the point that you see. And we're going to just take that through the whole right section of the haircut. And it's going to be, we're taking it straight off the right side of the head. So that's already looking a lot more blended, but we still have that very disconnected look. So what I'm doing is I'm combing that length that we have out of the way. We don't want to touch that length anymore for right now. I'm combing it up out of the way a little bit. If the hair is wet, the wetness will hopefully be able to just keep it out of the way, so you won't need any clips or anything like that. And then we're going to go through that harsh line that you see there, and we're going to be using our scissor over comb technique that I showed you in the back and on the left side. So we're just going to be pointing that comb towards ourselves, making sure the spine of the comb is hitting the head. And we're just going to cut those long pieces off, working in small sections until we feel like the line is fully blended. And again, don't go too far up into that length, because then it'll just cause more lines that need to be blended. So we're just lightly touching that line. So it's already looking pretty good. You're going to comb it down just to see how it lays, to see if there's any spots that need a little bit more work. Alright, now we can pull all of that hair from the top and we can comb it down just to see how it all blends together. And I'm really happy with how that looks. That looks pretty great. So for the next video, we're going to be doing some finishing touches. We're going to be edging the haircut and just giving any last minute tweaks to the haircut to make it look even better. I will see you guys in the next video.